How to fix low testosterone. With advancing age, the power of the human body to perform in bed decreases drastically to really low levels. This is because of a decrease in the levels of testosterone. Testosterone is a really powerful and vital enzyme that is responsible for the well-being of the sexual performance of men up to optimal levels. This enzyme can however decrease with age or even in case of any illness or a long-term disease which leaves the body broken and weakened. This can ultimately hinder lovemaking life and can make not only your partner unhappy but you too will not be completely satisfied. Thus, this complication requires immediate attention. In this video, you'll know symptoms of low testosterone, bonus tip, general notions of victims, effects of wrong treatment.
Subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any all-natural health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos.
Early symptoms of low testosterone levels. There are many symptoms of low testosterone levels. One of the most common detectable effects is the early loss of libido. Although not a completely reliable diagnosis, but signs of early loss of libido is always a good symptom for the detection of low testosterone levels. Bonus tip. Yes, Musli Kaunch Shakti capsules are the best herbal remedies to boost testosterone levels one can look for. Herbal remedies come with a lot of advantages and the upper hand of their own over other alternatives. Firstly, the biggest plus of these Musli Kaunch Shakti herbal remedies to boost testosterone levels is that they can be consumed without a formal prescription. One can keep their problem secret from others and still get the condition to improve. Secondly, Musli Kaunch Shakti capsules are made from 100% pure natural herbs like conch, semel musli, musli sia, gokuru, ashwagandha, bala, and safed musli. If you want to know how to get Musli Kaunch Shakti capsule discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. General notions of victims and patients. As low testosterone level is a problem related to sexual affairs, people often freak out. Sex-related problems are always sensitive. In order to boost sexual stamina, people start to explore all kinds of possibilities that they can get hold of. Many patients stop at nothing and even try many kinds of superstitious acts in order to boost sexual stamina, but this never helps. Some more sensible ones go for medical treatments. These mostly, if not always, include surgical methods, which are a very painful deal, not only for the body but the pockets as well. People often forget the roots of all remedies, and there is where they commit the biggest mistake. Various effects of wrong treatment. Wrong medicine and wrong treatments, including unnecessary surgery, leads to medical complications. Various side effects like soreness, inflammation, and others are common. But the most dangerous part is those medical complications. Sometimes, the person suffering from low testosterone levels may start to experience even worse problems after surgery. Many more complications keep on following, making it a business for the surgeons to give surgery after surgery to the patient, but the problem itself is never completely cured. Instead, many side effects come creeping up, which later becomes a major concern in their own right. Conclusion. Musli Kaunch Shakti capsules come without any kind of side effects, which are the usual companions of the alternative remedies. In fact, Musli Kaunch Shakti capsules help to keep the body healthier as a whole. People need to start thinking and take Musli Kaunch Shakti capsules to boost testosterone levels if they really want to increase sexual stamina and bring back pleasure in life. World's finest testosterone booster pills.
100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Musli Kaunch Shakti capsule from naturogain.com. The product link is given in the video description. Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.